Lifestyle.
Wait,
You hear that?
what's the name of this?
Celine Seafood. St. Catherine, Portmore. You hear that?
Yeah.
Believe. Hellshire Beach. Finest and the maddest and the best. You're speaking in telly. Take a look. Alright, so right now these are the skin. These are the crab. We're doing the coconut crab in that and that.
Yes.
So what's that like? So everything fresh and nice, you see me?
Yeah.
Fresh and nice. Catch everything.
Yeah, man.
Lifestyle, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Watch that style,
Watch him again.
So we have the crab here. This is the king crab. Well cracker.
Yes.
This is the coconut sauce.
My birthday today. That's
Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, girl.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Today you consume it in the fine
Yeah.
style. For your birthday, hear that? Yes, man. So these are the coconut crab. Lifestyle, yeah. I got the lobster them.
Yeah, man.
So when you forward to Jamaica, you link me. And if you're Jamaican, you link me.
Yes.
Come to the Francis YouTube channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Francis Family YouTube channel. Guess what? Today is my birthday. Yeah, today is my birthday. My Deborah, Abby. Today is my birthday, guys, and I'm gonna go and take some pictures at Hope Garden Park. Yeah, then I'm gonna go to Hellshire to have some lunch. And guess what? I'm taking you guys along with me. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, they spray. Fitting spray in it. Huh? Hope Garden. Big top, man. You want vlog? The sun is hot. Hello. Yeah. Dada cheer them, Mark. Come, Akim, come take a picture with me.
I know one die, I know one baby, I want enjoy, I want jump back, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go, all the men, the girls, ride go, I know die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the men, the girls, ride go, I know now.
through Hope Garden. My husband, dad made these chairs. Amazing. He's not here, but he left a mark. Beautiful. The mountain. This park is so big. So big. Maya, you hot? You want something to drink? Bag in a car. We'll get you something to drink. See me behind you. Evening. Let's go. Where? Come show me now. In here, sir. In here, sir.
When I get you with the jabata, I know get time and they jabata. That cover my face, calling me that bata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bata. What's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they die to do.
Alright, you see them one here? You see them one here? Them one are newer. You see the first one, them when did make, they did more slimmer. So in create them here, invent them to be bigger. Right, the man did just slim and thin, so then easy to broke up. And then him just go further more in a material and thing and do them here. Yeah, man, a pin signature them here, man.
Yeah.
Them here over up here, we can't tell anybody say, yeah, original Francis.
The one in the bus park right down Africa.
Even we got Jacksal and stuff out at Devanos, and we see them. Right, two of them out at Devanos. At the Devanos ice cream place. Yeah, man, my father did great, man. Great. Yeah, man, good.
You find it?
Yeah, man, and good with him handwork, man.
Thank you, though.
Very creative. Even though they sell him out, company sell him out.
Like them did that look feet just like it there.
Yeah. Proper. sorry, I ain't get this a trader from this man. This costs money, you know. Yeah, man, that be as simple as you see this, man. You have all... Me not even overbend the steel. Not even overbend the steel.
Talent.
One time him that show me to bend the steel, you know, and him, when he get his thing and him come have a thing where he know exact art, you know, or steel man that build them, them whatever, and them have the measurement, the exact measurement, the way they put the nail them and stuff. Him know exactly, so him have one of them there. So he will just cut this, he will just cut up him steel, them different steel and stuff like that, and he know exactly which steel I go bend, and that the way, him, and it just easy to him. We couldn't catch it. We couldn't catch it.
We just watching pattern.
Yeah. I years with them.
I'm tell you something around that will take one little while. I'll steal me a bend uncle. I just catch pattern and I catch which angle. Because you can't bend the steel where you don't want to bend for the wrong angle. Because every you see every button where you see
last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I take one white fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if people are shadow, 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 and if people are I did cut a cut when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make with that feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow.
What on in there? It's pretty stone.
That was Hope Garden. Phone booth.
Are your friends? I think your friends number them. Back of them one in there. Like couple times. Fast.
Even the house phone them, when it come with the button them and the receiver them where you press. We used to use that. And we used to find a way how to dial it. On the house phone, dial on the house phone, you know. And it not get charged, you know. Yes, then cut out the house phone and I give a cellular. You want the house phone right now. You want the house phone now, yeah.
Oh, she want water.
Who want water? She have water.
Oh, she have water. She have water.
Yeah, man. All the keys. Just come out of the house.
Hot, 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 hot.
You love all camera from PP.
Plenty survive just to make your money day. From the people that don't say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You want go? All the men, they can ride the boat. I go feed, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the men, they can ride the boat. I know different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family, rose and drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shame, I'll be head of state. From the people that say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
I want to
You go bow for the result though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. That the Baba fry yo, my ayo, don't cry yo. And the people and shadow, and the people and shadow, and the people and shadow, 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 and the people and shadow, shadow, and the people and shadow, shadow, and the people and shadow, shadow. I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry, yo. And the people and shadow. And the people and shadow. And the people and shadow. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shadow. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
Already know this is what's going on in here. Alright.
Lifestyle,
Wait,
you hear
name?
that?
What's the name of this?
Celine Seafood, St. Catherine, Portmore, you hear that?
Yeah.
Billy, Hellshire Beach, finest and the maddest and the best. You're speaking with Teddy. Take a look. Alright, so right now these are the skin. These are the crab. We're doing the coconut crab in that and that.
Yes.
So what's that style? So this is snapper. So everything fresh and nice, you see me?
Yeah.
Fresh and get everything.
Yeah, man.
Lifestyle, yeah.
Yes,
Watch that style,
watch him again.
Oh, we have the crab here. This is the king crab, well cracker.
Yes.
This is the coconut sauce.
My birthday today. That's
Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, girl.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Today you're consuming fire
Yeah.
style. For your birthday, you hear that? Yes, man. So these are the coconut crab. Lifestyle, yeah. Or the rest of the lobster.
Yeah, man.
So when you forward to Jamaica, you link me. And if you're Jamaican, you link me.
Yes,
Yeah.
right at Hellshire Beach. Yeah, man.
Go on, get in there.
Yeah. Alright, make a look some crayfish. Jungle life. Let's go. That is good. Yes, girl, my you look nice, girl. Trying to get Marga again. No. The girl, you think I joke me? Make sure I watch your video. Ah! Yes, I started the hobby and I said not the end. Make sure you watch it because you want to stick a joke me and make. Right, that's how you have to stay, girl. We're at Hellshire. Come here, sir. What's it on there, sir? Huh? Okay. Not yet up there. Yeah. But Woo. Yes, Hellshire Beach, guys. All right. Yeah. See them down there, so. Look, the seashells. Wanna see na janga? Wanna see na janga? Nana janga? Hmm? The food, they might get ready now.
I'm there?
Oh, see him there?
No, I'm the best over on the rock.
Oh. But then same thing he said? I mean, we are come with the bucket. Oh. Me nah eat that.
Come.
Oh, which shop?
Just come out there, son. Yeah. This one, you mean? Yeah, one tic-tac toe.
One tick.
Just stand in this one. Show me ice that man.
Find the heisters, man.
Yeah, my forward.
Oh, you ma come?
Yeah, I'll go back on one. There's a man you try to. Yeah, try to, man.
Me nah eat that.
You did it the last
Yeah, cause you never tell me you did live. He live, in a dead.
If my father never tell him
If me did ever know.
he would have. And a way when him done eat it and everything, him ask him what of them eat.
Akim.
Man say if that dead you can't eat it.
Me not eating that. Huh? Jeez. Nah eat that boy. Here, so. Yeah, man. So when the food ready, I'm gonna go and walk here and come here. beach and he couldn't weird.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did my life without and without any doubt. I'm a me, I be a doctor. I'm not gonna feed the girl, I'm not gonna feed the girl. I'm a mind that's super dark. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
She manipulate my love. I know holy, and I know that they're both. That the Baba Frayo, Mahayo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow,
You ain't gonna see shadow. The people, oysters.
and they cut a cut when them kill so much. And they try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani catch you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani catch you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. My wife, I'm gonna get it right. The young cast, last.
Why you make them talking to do it?
Bye bye, yo. Bye bye, yo. To the love of my life, my yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and
Yeah, man. You bugger, you too numb. Oh. You is too numb. Me tell you, say it live.
last, now everybody go to a breakfast.
You know, Rose? Nobody eat a man oysters them in a day, Chan.
To go bow for the risotto. Nothing to discuss. Cause I take my life.
My neighbor, are you just turn up this song?
Me, I be a doctor. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's up, though. I'm a mind that's with the doctor. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy.
No.
And I know that
You want? No, thank you. Me not, well, me not eat, I'm glad in tell. You want to pay you.
I dey cut a cut when them kill so bomb. I dey try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like somebody catch you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, somebody catch you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye, oh. To the love of my life, my oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. Last. Now everybody go to a breakfast. You go bow for the risotto. Nothing to discuss. Cause I take my life out and without any doubt. I'm a me, I be a doctor. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl. It's out though, on my mind as you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, Mahayo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, I did what I got when them kills over. I did chat over my door, when you get that corona. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leg, you got that. I see what you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani catch you. From a white dog in fancy suit. Why you said it not for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani catch you. From a white dog in fancy suit. Why you said it not for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. My vibe, I'm gonna get it right. Young past, last night. Now everybody could chop breakfast. I could say bye-bye, low. Bye-bye, low. To the love of my life. Bye-bye, low. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow.
I can't believe that we lose all for you.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
This one I better do the job. I know get time, I did that cover my face, calling me that bad. Biggie man, we do the get bad. What's it go? You are go. All the men, they can ride the foot. I don't feel die for nothing. What's it go? You are go. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they die to do one way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But now people then they say I know one bite, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the money. What's it go? You want go? All the men.
One man vlog, man, yeah. Catch your face on my vlog. Yes, you see it on YouTube. Where you hiding? Am I hiding face of it?
Schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows and juggling. Flow like the ocean. Water and the Shara Shinabella, that's my profile. Family, gross traits. When it comes to money and they concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But now people then go say, I know one fight, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All the men, they can ride the foot. I know feel die for nothing. What's it go? You are go. All the men, they can ride the foot. I know feel.
You put that up there.
beg you, baby, Jabba. I know get time, they Jabba. That cover my face, calling me.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm getting by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. That the Baba Frayo, Mahayo, don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow,
Enjoy it. I want to happy birthday again.
Oh, your food nice though?
Yeah, me cook with love. I told me cook with love. Yeah.
May I come back next year again, yeah?
Big up.
Alright, what your name is?
Teddy.
Teddy.
Enjoy
Okay. Alright. It was really, you're the best. Oh my God. I come here last year as well, you know. I mean, yeah, all of us eat here, and we meet Chelsea when she was fishing. Yeah. See you later. Bye bye. That was delicious. My, see you tomorrow. Give me a hug. See you tomorrow. Nice to meet you, sir. Hope to see you tomorrow. Yeah, man. Saturday. Yeah. What kind of drink you want we get for you? You me a talk. What kind of drink you drink? I know you don't drink alcohol. I don't drink alcohol either. Wine. Okay. Hey, a water you a drink. See ya. Ooh! You must go drive out. Baby, you gotta drive out. Good. Yes, guys, that was lovely. It was a lovely day. Lovely day. Here's hubby.
We go